How to add a watermark in Google Docs. In this video, I'll show you how to add a watermark in Google Docs. You can insert either a text watermark or an image watermark to personalize or protect your document. Start by opening your Google Docs document. Click on Search icon from the top left menu for watermark. To add a text watermark, choose the text option and enter the text you want. You can customize the font, text size, color, transparency, rotation, and placement to match your preferences. If you'd rather use an image, switch to the Image tab, click Select Image, then choose an image from your computer, Google Drive, or Google Photos. After the image is uploaded, adjust its scale, transparency, and placement as needed. Once you're happy with the watermark, click Done to apply it to your document. That's it! You've successfully added a watermark in Google Docs. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.